Hey guys, this is Topic Emergency here. Welcome to another Pokemon card review. It's called Egitant. It's called Prehistoric Wisdom. It is the picture is like this, and it's all this like a bird. Prehistoric Wisdom. Choose a card from your hand and put it on the lost zone. Then draw three cards. 1 star symbol. Garnet head. 2 stars and 1 wave. Do your opponent's next turn any damage to Edicant by attacks reduced by 30 after applying weakness and resistance. Discovered by chance during deep sea explanations. It is not charges in this time. Weakness X2. Resistance down. It equals 5 stars. 89/95 with the quite similar as my favorite video. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.